नालो राजा खान आहे सर। मां डिग्री कॉलेज मध्य में पढ़ंदो आहियां सर। मां फर्स्ट ईयर क्लास जो स्टूडेंट आहियां। ऐं माय मॉडल इज़ प्लांट सेल। प्लांट सेल जेको ज़िंदगीअ जो अहम हिसो आहे। ऐं प्लांट सेल ॿिनि क़िस्मनि जो आहे, हिकु स्प्रिंग ऐं ॿियो ऑवेल। ऑवेल जेको आने वांगुरु हूंदो आहे सर। हे आहे सेल वाल, सॼो हे सेल वाल आहे। हे आहे न्यूक्लियोलस ऐं सेल मेम्ब्रेन ER ऐं साइटोप्लाज़म ऐं माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया ऐं गोल्जी बॉडीज़।
Assalamualaikum. My name is Innamullah Sumro from first year class at Government Degree College, Madaiji. This is periodic table of elements. It consists of 118 elements. Elements are arranged in this table according to increasing order of atomic number. According to electronic configuration, it is divided into 4 blocks: S block, D block, P block, and F block. We display different colors to show the blocks, as pink color for S block, yellow color for D block, blue color for P block, and green color for F block. That's all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mudassir Ali Mangrio. I am studying in class Madeji. I am studying in class first year. So I am prepared this model, atomic model of sodium. Its atomic number is 11 and its atomic mass is 23. 23 AMU. AMU is a unit of atomic mass and its symbol is Na. Na is derivated from Latin language. It's called natrium. This is compound of sodium. There are 11 electrons are present in 3 shells. 2 electrons are in K shell. 8 electrons are present in L shell and 1 electrons are present in M shell. That's it.